Welcome to luxury in the highly sought-after community of Coronado Ranch that's known for its incredible dining and entertaining options, plus close proximity to the Las Vegas Strip and the entire valley. This backyard is a year-round oasis with a custom palapa, a built-in barbecue, and even a pool water chiller to make sure you have nice, cool water even in August. This home offers over 5,000 square feet with many recent updates and a downstairs primary suite. Smart living, a perfect commute, and your own private paradise. Reach out today for a private tour.